Hello cruise mates. Welcome back to our channel. We noticed in the comments of our last clip about MSC drink packages that there are still more open queries about the drink packages. So, we decided to compile a clip about the top 20 most frequently asked questions about the drinking packages. For the main clip about all the MSC drink packages, the costs, the drink menus, recommendation, either you should get a package or not, see our main clip in the link below. But now let's start with the top 20 frequently asked questions. Number 1. If I have the easy drinking package and I order a drink that is more expensive, do I only pay the difference between the package limit and the more expensive drink? For example, the Easy Plus package covers drinks up to €8 and I order a drink for €10. What happens then?
Unfortunately, you will be charged the full price for the drink, not just the difference. In this case, the €10, not just the difference of the €2.
Number 2. If an adult purchases a drinks package, are underage guests from the same cabin required to purchase a drinking package as well?
Unfortunately, yes. For all underage guests traveling with adults who purchased a beverage package, the underage package must be purchased as well. This applies to minors, ages 3 to 17 on European cruise itineraries, and guests, ages 3 to 20 on North American cruise itineraries.
If you want to join us and stay up to date with us, then subscribe, like, share, and leave us some comments below. Number 3. If I purchase an easy package, and my partner who does not drink alcohol, but only tea and coffee, can he or she buy the non-alcohol package?
Unfortunately, this is not possible. Adult passengers of the same cabin need to have the same drinking package.
Number 4. Which drinks are included in the easy drinking package?
Selection of house wines by the glass, Heineken draft beer, non-alcoholic beer, a selection of classic cocktails, mixed drinks and non-alcoholic cocktails, soft drinks and fruit juices by the glass and mineral in bottles with still water and classic hot drink, such as espresso, cappuccino, cafe latte, hot tea.
Number 5. Can I purchase a drink package before my cruise?
Yes, all drink packages can be purchased before the cruise and benefiting of a 15% discount versus onboard prices. So note, if the package is booked during boarding, there will be an additional 15% service charge added on top of the package price.
Number 6. Which drinks are free on MSC cruises?
The following drinks are free on MSC cruises, but only available at the buffet restaurant. Tap water, coffee, tea, iced tea, milk and juices, but only during the breakfast.
Number 7. Are the beverage packages available on all MSC cruises?
Drink packages are available on all MSC cruise ships, however South Africa and China sailings are having exclusive arrangements for the drink packages. These are not applicable to itineraries going to or coming from Europe.
Number 8. Do the drinks included in drinks packages vary depending on the ships, destinations, or seasons?
Yes, the products vary and depend on destination and season.
Number 9. Will alcohol be served on cruises calling on Saudi Arabian ports?
Please be advised that in respect to the Saudi law, alcohol will not be served during the calls in Saudi Arabian ports. Alcohol will be available to the guests when the ship sails in international waters again.
Number 10. Which packages cover the drinks in the specialty restaurants?
All packages can be used in the buffet restaurants, main restaurants, and bars. But only the Easy Plus package and the Premium Extra package can be used in the specialty restaurants. Be aware of it, that just the Easy package does not cover drinks in the specialty restaurants.
Number 11. The Easy package refers to mixed drinks. Does this cover as well spirits such as whiskey, wine, gin and tonics, and ginger, etc.? Or do you have to take the Easy Plus package to have any spirits?
As long the spirits are within the price limit, the Easy package covers as well such type of spirits.
Number 12. Are gratuities included in the cost of the beverage package?
Yes. All MSC Cruises beverage packages include already the service charge. With a package, you are not tipping anyone on board.
Number 13. Can I also upgrade my beverage package on board?
Yes, you can upgrade your beverage package through the travel agent, or on board during the cruise as well.
Number 14. Can I bring bottled water on the MSC cruise?
Beverages and food may not be brought on board. Exception: dry packaged and commercially produced foods. The MSC cruise policy lists beverages under items forbidden on board, so you should leave them at home.
Number 15. Can I drink tap water on a cruise ship?
Cruise ship tap water is safe to drink, unless you are told otherwise by the ship's authorities. The water throughout the ship has been treated, filtered and frequently tested to meet the standards of the World Health Organization.
Number 16. What is the daily limit on my drink packages on MSC Cruises?
MSC Cruises do not have any limit on the amount of drinks you can have during a single day. The packages are all-inclusive, except for South Africa and China sales. However, you are not allowed to share your package with anyone, and if you get too intoxicated, the bar will refrain from serving you.
Number 17. What is the difference between the Easy and Easy Plus package?
With the Easy Plus package, drinks can be consumed in all bars, except the Starship Club on MSC Virtuosa, at the buffet and the main dining room, and also, I underline also, in specialty restaurants. This is an important difference from the Easy package, which doesn't allow you to order drinks in specialty restaurants. And also more variety.
Number 18. Can I book a beverage package also on board, at any time, during the cruise?
Partially, the beverage package can be as well booked on board, however only on the first 2 days on board.
Number 19. Is ice cream as well included in a drinking package?
Soft ice cream is only included in the non-alcoholic beverage package, but of course you can still buy it on board, but then you just need to pay for it separately.
And finally, our last, frequently asked question, number 20. What drink package is included in the Yacht Club experience?
The Premium Extra package will be included for all cruises, booked with the Yacht Club experience.
This is it for this clip of our top 20 frequently asked questions regarding the MSC drinking packages. We hope that we could answer some of your questions, and that the clip was informative for you. If you don't want to miss out on our upcoming clips, then hit the red subscribe button and join our community. You will be then notified when we upload new clips on this channel again. And if you want to see more of our review clips, then have a look on our channel. There you will find more clips related to the MSC cruise. We and other cruisers would love to hear about your experiences with the drink packages. Please share your views, tips, and experiences with us here in the comments below. And in case you are looking for some cool cruise fashion and accessories designs, see our online cruise shop. You find the link in the description below. Stay well, be good and see you soon.